Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you the strange noise that my graphic card makes. Check this out. And it makes this only under load, under pressure. When I pause the benchmark, as you can see, the sound stops. And I have no idea what the green LED light has to do with it. But this is supposed to be a quiet graphic card, one of the quietest. In Counter-Strike it's the same situation, but here it's depending on how many frames per second I actually have. More frames, more noise. When I go back to Windows, the sound stops and it starts again. And as you can see here, when I pause the game, the sound disappears and the flashlights some of them turns off. So if anybody has an explanation, please write in a comment.